Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today, I am here with Sophia, and today we are going to talk about morning activities.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Sophia, how are you this morning?
I am very good today. How are you?
I am great. Thank you for asking.
That is nice to hear.
Do you like mornings?
Yes, I do. I like quiet mornings.
Me too. Mornings feel peaceful.
Yes, I agree.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30.
Wow, that is early.
Yes, I like to start my day early.
What is the first thing you do?
First, I open my window.
That sounds refreshing.
Yes, I like fresh air in the morning.
Then what do you do?
Then I make my bed.
That is a good habit.
Thank you. What about you?
I usually drink water first.
That sounds healthy.
Yes, it helps me wake up.
Do you brush your teeth right away?
Yes, I do.
Me too.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I take a shower every morning.
Morning showers feel very nice.
I agree.
What do you do after your shower?
I get dressed and brush my hair.
Simple and easy.
Yes.
What do you usually wear in the morning?
I usually wear comfortable clothes.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
I usually wear a t-shirt and jeans.
Very casual.
Yes, I like comfortable clothes too.
Do you eat breakfast every morning?
Yes, always.
Breakfast is important.
I agree completely.
What do you usually eat?
I usually eat eggs and toast.
That sounds delicious.
What about you?
I usually eat fruits in cereal.
Healthy breakfast.
Thank you.
Do you drink coffee?
Sometimes I usually drink tea.
I love coffee in the morning.
Many people do.
Yes, coffee gives me energy.
Tea helps me relax.
That is interesting.
Do you check your phone in the morning?
Sometimes I check messages.
I try not to use my phone too much.
That is a good idea.
Thank you.
Do you listen to music in the morning?
Yes, soft music.
Nice choice.
What about you?
I listen to podcasts sometimes.
That sounds fun.
Yes, I learn many things.
What time do you leave home?
I leave home at 8 o'clock.
Do you walk or drive?
I drive to work.
How long is the drive?
About 20 minutes.
That is not too bad.
No, it's okay.
I take the bus to work.
Do you enjoy the bus ride?
Yes, I can read on the bus.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, it is.
Dear listeners, what do you do every morning?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to know your morning routine.
Let's talk more about healthy morning habits.
Great idea.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Sometimes I stretch for 10 minutes.
Stretching is very good.
Yes, it helps my body feel awake.
I like yoga in the morning.
Yoga looks relaxing.
It is very relaxing.
Do you eat breakfast at home?
Yes, always.
I sometimes eat breakfast at work.
Really?
Yes, when I'm busy.
I understand.
What is your favorite breakfast food?
I love pancakes.
Wow, pancakes are delicious.
Yes, especially with honey.
That sounds amazing.
What about you?
I love omelets.
Very tasty.
Thank you.
Do you cook breakfast yourself?
Yes, most of the time.
Cooking can be fun.
Yes, especially on weekends.
Weekend mornings feel different.
I agree. They feel slower and calmer.
Exactly.
What do you usually do on Sunday mornings?
I sleep a little longer.
That sounds nice.
Then I drink coffee and read a book.
Very peaceful morning.
Yes, I enjoy quiet time.
I usually clean my room on Sunday mornings.
That is productive.
Thank you.
Do you make a to-do list in the morning?
Yes, it helps me stay organized.
Good idea.
Do you plan your day every morning?
Sometimes.
Planning can save time.
That is true.
Sophia, what is your favorite part of the morning?
I like breakfast time
Why?
because I can relax and enjoy my food.
That sounds lovely.
What about you?
I like the quiet air outside.
Morning air feels fresh.
Yes, very fresh.
Do you talk to your family in the morning?
Yes, before work.
That is nice.
We usually talk during breakfast.
Family time is important.
I agree completely.
Now, let's learn some useful English sentences.
Great idea.
A useful sentence is, I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Yes, many people use this sentence every day.
Another useful sentence is, I brush my teeth in the morning.
Very simple and useful English.
Let's give another example.
Okay, I eat breakfast before work.
Excellent example.
Thank you.
Let's talk about vocabulary.
Sounds good.
Wake up means to stop sleeping.
Yes.
Brush means to clean.
For example, I brush my hair.
Very good.
Another useful word is shower.
A shower is when you wash your body with water.
Nice explanation.
Thank you.
Let's talk about grammar now.
Okay?
We use the simple present tense for routines.
Yes.
For example, I drink coffee every morning.
Or she takes the bus to work.
Great example.
Thank you.
Some verbs are regular verbs.
Like walk and walked.
Yes, very good.
Some verbs are irregular verbs.
Like eat and ate.
Exactly.
Beginners should practice these verbs often.
Practice is very important.
I agree.
Let's practice pronunciation.
Good idea.
The word breakfast sounds like breakfast.
Very clear pronunciation.
Thank you.
Another word is morning.
Morning.
Excellent.
Listeners can repeat after us.
Repeating helps pronunciation.
Yes, it does.
Sophia, do you study English every day?
Yes, I study a little every morning.
That is a good habit.
Thank you.
What do you do to practice?
I listen to English podcasts.
Very useful.
I also read simple English books.
Reading helps vocabulary.
Yes.
I like watching English videos.
Videos are fun for learning.
That is true.
Do you practice speaking English?
Yes, with friends online.
Wonderful practice.
Thank you.
Many learners feel nervous speaking English.
Yes, but practice helps confidence.
Exactly.
Small practice every day is important.
I agree completely.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes, and share this podcast with your friends.
Sophia, do you think mornings are important?
Yes, a good morning can make the whole day better.
That is very true.
Morning habits are very important.
Good habits help people feel happy and organized.
I agree.
What is one morning habit you want to improve?
I want to wake up earlier.
That is a nice goal.
What about you?
I want to exercise more in the morning.
That sounds healthy.
Thank you. Dear listeners, what is your favorite morning activity?
Please tell us in the comments below.
Today was a lot of fun.
Yes, I enjoyed our conversation very much.
We talked about many morning activities.
And we learned useful English together.
Thank you everyone for listening today.
Keep practicing English every day.
Little by little, your English will improve.
See you in the next episode. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.